Hi everyone, so I hope all of you are doing well. This is a short mnemonic for Hunter syndrome where I've basically combined points from first aid as well as marrow and then made this mnemonic. And the next part of the video is going to be all about another way of how you can actually do biochemistry well. So, yeah, let's get started. Whenever you think about hunter syndrome, then you think about the personality of a hunter. They are aggressive and they need to have really good visual acuity to hunt their prey, so no corneal clouding. And another thing is this hunter, you have to imagine that he's a Mongolian, okay, which stands for Mongolian spots. And then you can imagine that you had this cartoon called Hunter x Hunter. So Hunter x Hunter was made by a Japanese person. So you can relate the two in a way and basically think of this Mongolian hunter who is being praised by this person called Ila Auntie. Okay, so Ila praise is the enzyme replacement that you can have. So yeah, Ila Auntie is actually praising this hunter, this Mongolian hunter, who is this character from Hunter x Hunter. So that's why it's X-linked recessive, and he's a hunter. So that's why there's aggressive behavior as well as no corneal clouding. So this is one way of learning your stuff, and another really cool way and really easier way, in fact, is Pixorize. So you can go and read the blog post. I've actually left a very detailed blog post on Medium, and the link to it is given down in the description below. And along with that, in the blog post, I've also attached links to my own Google Drive file where you can actually get all the annotated images as well. And I'll be adding the ones that are not there. So yeah, that's also a plus point. And here, so I'll just tell you a bit about Pixelize. More of it's in the blog post, and I just felt that writing is faster for me when it comes to creating content rather than making a video, because I mean, I really want to make videos about this, but no time, as all of you all know. And this is just about, I'll just quickly tell you that there are all these images and pictures where you can relate to it. I mean, this liver lever is hepatosplenomegaly, this turtle is going to be for developmental delay, and so on and so forth. Okay, there's one for hurlers as well, and this is for IDA disease. Okay, so this one, it's not in the annotated PDF, and you can find it separately, and all these annotated images are there in the Google Drive link that is somewhere in the blog. And yeah, just go ahead and read the blog post, because I've wrote it in a lot of detail and I could express a lot more in the blog post rather than I could express in the video itself. And hope you like this, and let's make biochemistry easier, and go ahead and try and look for another resource. Basically, this is like, it's not an additional resource as such. You can just binge watch it during your breaks because it's all cartoons. So yeah, and I've actually posted a detailed way of how you can incorporate it into your daily routine without really making it take up some extra time. Okay, because we know that time is a very huge crisis right now. Bye and take care and enjoy biochemistry.